my channel this morning. So quick one, guys. I actually have this insight, so I wanted to share it with you guys because I believe that it's really gonna help someone out there. All right. So we only improve by learning. Okay. So this is it, guys. The idea of like you can always come back to trade in the market, which is true. I am not misputting the fact that you're not still gonna come back to trade even after blowing your account. Okay. So, but there is this thing that I want you to know. I want you to know if you can actually check yourself. Why I'm saying this is because I can actually relate. As a matter of fact, this is what I am actually going through right now, and God has been helping me to to overcome them. All right, one after the other. Okay, so you know that you know how to trade just like I do. I am profitable. I know how to trade. I know what I'm doing in the market. I know what I'm expecting in the market, and but this feeling that you know so much about the market is very, very wrong, guys. Like, the idea is to make money, guys. Like, nobody really cares whether you can actually break down the market and do all of that. The idea is actually to make profit from the market, okay, to improve. All right. So it has been happening to me. I know how to trade, but whenever I get to my chart, I say, okay, if this market do not do this, definitely it's going to do this. So right now I'm going to be doing this. Okay. So I tend to take trades, and because I am so confident about the knowledge that I have about the market, about the lesson, the insights that I have about the market, I now felt like, bro, you have to take more risk now. Instead of sticking to my plan, instead of saying, okay, I'm going to be doing only but this, I'm not going to be taking more than two positions, and I'm not going to be increasing my loss size. I'm going to maintain proper risk management, and I'm going to be taking only one trade in a day, just as I planned it. Okay. You see, whenever I try to start implementing this thing, you see me start growing one step and other. But this time you come at this point that you feel so, like, you feel overconfidence, and especially when you start winning a lot of trades, you feel that, bro, I have arrived and let me take risk. Okay. I actually know I'm not misputting the fact that you can actually make more money if you take more risk in the market, but maintaining proper risk management, it has a lot of things to play. Like, it has a lot of roles to play in this market. Like, for instance, if you can be able to maintain your risking 1 or 2% of your account, and bro, no matter the account size, if you can be able to maintain proper risk management and your strategy is good, you can be making money, and even if you lose, you can lose less. What I'm saying this is that last week I lose. You guys saw it. I posted a video. I lost 90,000 naira. So I funded that $51. I wanted to see what I can do about it. So I took the first trade. It was going on my direction. It was very, very okay. And this is the strategy that I used to trade. Normally, I told myself that I'm not going to violate my rules. I'm going to stick to taking two position or even one position, because the equity is kind of high. Okay, it's not like $20 or $30 account. Okay, this one is $15. Okay, so I was using, instead of using 0.05, I used 0.08. Okay, and so I put multiple position, and guess what happened? The account gone. You understand? You can predict the market, but you can always react to what the market is doing. And so you can actually predict the market is going to do this. In the next 1 hour, you see that the whole thing has changed. Okay, and you cannot control it. You are not in charge of the market. Nobody is. Okay, so it is always good for you to come with your own plan and execute it just the way it is. Tomorrow you always come back. So okay, I said, okay, I'm going to be funding another one. So which I moved money from my Bybit account. So I deposited, I think it's a $34 account. So when I deposited this money, I said, okay, I'm going to trade it. So I traded it. I made loss. The trade actually went in profit. So it later returned and stopped me out. Okay. So I lost the trade. So the following day, I took a trade and it went to profit again, and I closed it. I didn't wait for it to get on my TP because the volume in the market was not, it wasn't given, so I had to exit the trade. So in a day, I was with one of my mentees. So I saw a trade on AUD USD. I said, okay, this one is good. Remember, I've taken a trade, and so normally I shouldn't be going to the market to actually take another trade. But I felt okay that this one, since I didn't lose the other one, so let me take this one. Okay, so I actually took the trade and market actually went and stopped me out. Though it later reversed and go to my direction, but the account couldn't withstand the loss. Okay, and so that's how I exited the trade with the loss. So this morning it was a very nice day because I actually recovered the whole loss that I actually made. Okay, with just two position, guys, with just two position. All right, and I think it was just like 22 pip on USD CHF, and I was out with profit. So I have discovered that my problem is thinking that you know too much instead of following your plan, not what you are feeling. Follow your plans, not what you are feeling. Okay, so I'm going to be jumping on my chart right now. I hope this video is able to help you. So if this is your first time of coming across my video here on YouTube, my name is Aloysius and you are very, very much welcome. I always come here to share my knowledge about the market and tips that could actually help someone out there to grow. Okay, please help me to like this video, help me to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be jumping on my chart right now. I'm going to be breaking the whole trade that I actually took on this on my chart so you guys can actually learn from it. Peace. So here we go, guys. As you can clearly see, this is USD CHF on my daily time frame, right? This USD CHF on my daily time frame. So I want to quickly break down this very chart and to actually show you guys the reason why I took the trade that I took this morning, which made me the profit that that made me to recover the whole money that I actually lost. All right. So look at this 4-hour time frame. You can actually see that market is in a bullish trend. Okay. And so in a bullish market, what you are expected to be doing is only to looking for buy opportunity, right? You can see this beautiful double bottom here that actually power this whole move here. Okay. So yesterday, guys, I actually spotted this very resistance that is at this point. Okay, I actually spotted this resistance and market has been making a higher high. Okay, so I now put on this is my trend line. I spotted this trend line. This is 4-hour time frame. So guys, let me go down to my 1-hour time frame. You can actually see daily time frame is bullish, 4-hour time frame is bullish. So we are still working with the same market scenario. Okay, it has not changed. So let us go to my 1-hour time frame. Okay, beautiful. So you can actually see my chart very clear. You can actually see series of higher highs and higher lows, and this trend line was actually respected here and tested here again, tested at this point again, which is the reason why I actually say, okay, I'm going to be buying this trade. So this market was actually here. Let me put up my session break so that you can actually see where market actually closed. Nice. So this market was actually here as of when I set my buy limit, because it was actually a buy limit order. This is not an instant execution. Okay, so because if it is an instant execution, I would have missed it. Okay, I would have missed it because market didn't come down to this place when London session actually started in the morning. All right, so I set up my buy limit at this point, and when market opened in this when market actually closed, it just came down to this place to trigger me in, and when market opened, it just picked me up and started going up. And I'm going to be attaching the the screenshot on this very video when I'm editing it. All right, so look at what happened, guys. This market started coming down from this very resistance. You can see that this market declined from this very resistance here previously. So there was a gravestone doji. You can see it in between this bullish engulfing and this bearish engulfing. Okay, market tanked down and came to test this very trend line and also a support level. So it buy and went up and create a high that is higher than this previous high here. Okay, so I said, okay, we are still bullish. All right, so but it happened that this market actually declined from here and it started coming down again. I said, okay, if you actually respect this trend line, then it's going to go up from here just as it did here and did at this place previous days. All right, so I now set up my buy order at this point. Sorry about that. I now set up my buy order right at this very trend line. I said it here. I said, okay, if it is going to come down to this place, then I'm expecting to be buying this market because it's going to be forming a new high, which is what the market actually did at the end of the day. Okay, so when I set my order here, market came in and tapped me in and it started going up from there. So when this market was going up, I was seeing my profit, okay, because then I was standing in the night, so market was actually going up. I wasn't watching it, but I was doing other things in the night. Okay, so I was looking at it. So this market continued to go up. So it get to this level, it came down again. it started coming down. Okay, I said, okay, if this market break this place, that means we are gonna, be selling this market. Though I'm gonna lose the trade. Okay, so but it didn't. Once market came to this place and when this candlestick close here, I said, okay, this is a beautiful pattern that I love. I actually love trading, right? So this market started going up from here. So it was this very point that I actually added a position. Okay, when this market closes as a bullish engulfing, okay, and so I added a position here, and if you can actually see, it looks as if market is actually coming down to start making a lower low. Okay, it seems as if the uptrend is over. All right, it now seems as if this is a break and retest of a trend line, and once this kind of thing happens in some market scenario, you always see market started coming down from there. Okay, so but I added a position here and it didn't actually start coming down, it started going up from there. All right, and it never returned back again. So the first position was on that $30, on that $34 account. The first trade position that I opened was the lot size was 0.05 and long position. I didn't actually make use of this, but when I go to my MT4, I actually modify my trade over there. Okay, so I can actually be risking like 10 pip here, and if I go there, market continue to go to my direction, I'll keep decreasing my risk. Okay, making sure that I'm out of loss. All right, so when market, I actually added a position here, and if you scale down to 30 minutes time frame, nice, look at what happened. Look at what happened, that I told you maybe this market is likely to start coming down from this place. So when this candlestick, when this very gravestone doji candlestick declined to this level, I said, okay, this very one now maybe it's going to start coming down. I'm going to lose this trade, and I have already added a position right here. My first position was here. It was here. This very candlestick was the one that triggered me in. The second one was actually at this level. So I started going up from there. I said, okay, maybe it was going to come down. No problem. So I just closed my chart and I was doing what I'm doing, and I woke up, I see that the market was actually going up, and I leave it immediately. It was 7 a.m. in the morning, which is London session. Market, people started coming in and the volume in the market actually increased, and this is how we're able to trade this very setup. I hope this video makes sense to you guys. You can actually see what we're doing here, just to follow the trend. The daily time frame is giving us a bullish scenario. The 4-hour time frame is also giving us a bullish scenario. Even the 30 minutes time frame, all of them are bullish. So we're just taking advantage of the move. Okay, so you can actually see. So I actually got out of this trade right at this point. So you can see that market actually started going up on about 25 pip before this market actually started reversing, and I'm not in this trade again. I've made my profits, guys. I hope this video makes sense to you guys. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you guys on next video. Peace out.